Hello, I'm Pat Reynolds, editor of Packaging World magazine, here with another episode of Technology Minute. Today we talk with Label Films Director of the Americas, Bob Shantz of Klöckner Pentaplast. And our topic this time is an intriguing new label material called ClearFloat. Bob, I see that Klöckner Pentaplast has several new films in the labeling portfolio. Can you tell us more about the newest film, ClearFloat?
I'd be delighted to, Pat. These are polyethylene-based TDO or MDO shrink films which meet recycling guidelines and offer 60% shrink and high clarity to maximize shelf appeal for the containers using them.
And what is the reason you developed this new film?
We developed this film based on a market need that is not being met by current products available. There's a need for a film with a specific gravity of less than 0.95, with significant shrink characteristics and a haze value of less than 6.0.
And how is this new film viewed in the world of sustainability?
ClearFloat is being viewed very favorably by the recycling community. The APR has set distinct targets for both unprinted film and printed labels. The ClearFloat film has been certified by the APR and their European counterpart, the EPBP. Also, several of our printing partners have had their printed labels pass the APR test using our ClearFloat film.
So often these developments are all about the customers. What can you tell me about how the film is being received by customers and clients?
Well, Pat, our customers have been delighted so far. They now have a film which meets the APR standards. It has a high clarity which maximizes the impact of their printing, and it has a modulus that lets them run at the desired speeds. In the end, they're able to deliver a product to their customer which meets the recycling guidelines, has a robust manufacturing process, and provides the benefits of full-body shrink sleeves.
Now, I know you did extensive beta testing with several printing partners. Let's hear what Lou Iavoli from Hammer Packaging had to say about ClearFloat.
Klöckner's done a great job technically when we're doing the R&D to make sure that this film can perform on a digital press, flexo press, web offset press. They're a good partner.
Also big stakeholders in this kind of thing are the brand owners. What does this new film mean for them?
By using ClearFloat shrink film, the brand owners now have the ability to label their products with a high-clarity label which has significant shrink properties while meeting the guidelines of the recycling community.
You know, operating in such a global economy as we now do, I have to wonder what this development means in other parts of the world.
Well, Pat, you're absolutely right. We are in a global business, and there has been a lot of interest in this film in Europe and in South America. We're offering ClearFloat shrink films in all regions of the world.
Okay, so it is actually commercial. So how and when can a brand incorporate this film?
The TDO ClearFloat films are commercially available right now. A brand can incorporate ClearFloat into their current label strategy. There are several printers in the market who have experience with our film, or they can incorporate ClearFloat into a newly developed packaging strategy. Regardless, we have the capacity and interest to fulfill TDO orders today, and in Q2 we'll be commercial with the MDO ClearFloat.